Today we're going to talk about power supply protectors, what they are, and why you need them. Phidgets makes two kinds of power supply protectors, the smaller SAF 2000 and the much larger and programmable SAF 1000. Power supply protectors are necessary in order to prevent power surges from motors from making their way back to your power supply. Power surges are generated by both DC and stepper motors, though in different ways. A DC motor will generate a surge when it stops or changes direction, whereas a stepper motor will generate a surge when it stalls. If you're using a rechargeable battery, these surges can be harmlessly absorbed. However, if you're using an electronic power supply, that's when problems start to emerge. To demonstrate what happens when you don't have a power supply protector, we're going to use this big stepper motor, stall it, and kill this power supply, which we'll monitor on the scope. As you can see, it didn't take much of a surge to kill this power supply. The stall caused a spike in voltage, which killed the power supply, indicated by the voltage trailing off. If this had been a higher energy stall, the voltage would have spiked higher and potentially killed the motor controller. To prevent the previous destruction, we have an SAF 2000 in line with the power supply. We're measuring the input and output voltages on the line, and if I stall the motor, you can see the result. For this demonstration, we used a much bigger power surge to show how easily it's handled by the PowerGuard Phidget. In blue, you can see the power supply voltage, and in yellow, you can see the output voltage. As you can see, when the motor stalled, it caused a pretty big voltage spike. The SAF 2000 clamps the voltage to 38 volts to prevent damage to the motor controller, and you can see that it also prevented the surge from getting back to the power supply. I hope this video has been helpful in demonstrating why you may need a PowerGuard Phidget for your next project. For more information on which PowerGuard you might need, check the link in the description below. If you have suggestions for future tutorials, please leave a comment in the comments section. For more general inquiries, please check out our website.